In today's video, we are going to show you how to change your phone number on ID.me. Now, here's something important that you need to know. ID.me does not allow to directly edit or replace your original phone number since that number is typically used during registration and verification. But what we are going to do is to add a new phone number, verify it with an OTP, and then remove the old one. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is go to the top right corner, and I want you to click the My Wallet, where you can manage your personal details, security options, and contact information by clicking the My Wallet. Now, from here, I want you to navigate to the Sign In and Security, because this is where your phone number is stored. You hover to the text message or phone call. Right now, as you may notice that I have my old phone number here. If you want to update that, since we can't directly edit the existing number, here's what we can do. Okay, so we need to click the Add button so we can add the phone number or add another MFA or multi-factor authentication method. From here, all I have to do is choose the text me or call me. It's up to you, and I want you to enter your new phone number. Okay? For example, let's say we have like here, and then click the continue button. ID.me will now send a one-time passcode or OTP to your new number. Enter the OTP to verify it, because once verified, your new number is successfully added to your account. And once your new number is successfully added to your account, you will see it here. If in case this doesn't work, I want you to go to the contact support and tell your situation about your issue changing your phone number on ID.me. One of the customer specialists will give you troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to change your phone number on ID.me even though there's no direct edit button. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.